Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fast forward a video on Wondershare Filmora 9. So let's start the video. So first of all we need to open Filmora. So we have to wait for some time. It is a very heavy software, so it is taking some time. So from here we need to select a video which we want to fast forward. So I will I'll take this video. Now from here I will select it. Now to fast forward it, you have to right click on this video and you have to click speed and duration. So from here you can fast forward it like this, or you can fast forward it manually. So you can type it. So I want to fast forward it for 2 times. So I'll select 2 and I'll select 0 here. So if you click OK here, so let's see what happened. Now if we play this video, it will be fast forward. So as you can see, this is twice faster than before. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.